In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tables in Miro, which is episode 7 of our series. First things first, let's get started by going to mirro.com. Just type that into your web browser's address bar and hit enter. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of the web page and you'll see the login button. Click on it to proceed. You've got a couple of options now. You can either sign in using your email address, or if you prefer, use your Google account. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Once you've made your choice and entered your details, click on continue with email if you went with that route. It's a smooth and secure way to ensure you're logging in correctly. After logging in, you'll be directed to your dashboard where you can see all your existing boards. Find the specific board you want to work on from the list and click on it to open it up. You'll start to see your familiar Miro workspace designed for your creativity and planning needs. Now on the left hand side of your screen, you'll notice a vertical toolbar. It's a treasure trove of features and functionalities. Look for the plus button within this toolbar. Found it? Great. Click on the plus button to open up some options, and from there, what you want to do is select tables. Upon clicking, you'll have activated the table tool, which is a great asset for organizing information visually on your board. Now you can go ahead and click anywhere on your board to place a table. Wherever you click, that's where your new table will appear, like magic. Now comes the fun part, customizing your table. Altogether, Miro lets you get creative, so start by editing the columns and fields to suit your needs. You can adjust these settings to better fit the data or structure required for your project or brainstorm space. You'll notice it's very intuitive, making modifications a breeze. If you need to reorient your table layout to better suit your visual space, Miro allows easy customization in that regard too. And don't overlook the filter button. This can be a game changer when managing extensive data within your table, allowing you to sort and display information that matters most with just a few clicks. Oh, and before we wrap things up, remember to explore and utilize the multitude of customization options available to you. With these steps, you should now have a clear understanding of creating and customizing tables within Miro, enhancing your boards to better capture and display information. Thanks for joining me in this episode, and I hope you found these steps straightforward and empowering for your next project.